Tonight is not only a gala dinner. Tonight is a celebration of friendship, a celebration of culture, and a celebration of global sommelier community that connects all of us together. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy this beautiful evening, enjoy Taiwan, and let us raise our glass together to friendship, to the future, and to the international sommelier family. Cheers.
We come from different cultures and different backgrounds, gathering in person once a year, sharing the same spirit and working towards our common goals, remind us of what makes this gathering so special.
I want to welcome everybody. I want to thank Howard and the full team here for this great hospitality and to host us in this royal way. It's wonderful. We don't expect this. But I think the food is wonderful tonight and we have a lot of work to do.
16 years ago, I look at behind me 3 or 4 or 5 sommeliers at a time. But now I can very honest to say now we have really more than 1,000 sommeliers in Taiwan now. Thank you.